Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning off dark mode on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will turn off dark mode on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Now here is my WhatsApp web home screen, and then click on three dots in the top, and now click on settings, and then in this window click on theme, and now select light, and then click on OK. And now dark mode on WhatsApp web has been turned off. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.